Well, research is still at the infancy stage on risk posed by bodies of recently deceased persons from the coronavirus disease. It is undoubtedly a concern for those that come into contact with such bodies. Procedures that would lead to splashing of bodily fluids of the deceased, like post-mortem, now highly discouraged unless those conducting them are properly geared to prevent contamination.
We ensure that by the time the body is handed over to them, the body is safe for burial according to their cultural practices.
The family of the first casualty of Covid-19, Maurice Barasa Naminda, devastated by the loss of their kin, whom they last saw early February during a funeral of a relative. Barasa's family says he traveled to the Kingdom of Eswatini on the 10th of March before returning on the 18th of the same month. He had not shown any signs of the virus until Saturday the 21st. Barasa, a diabetic patient, was taken ill and diagnosed with the coronavirus disease. He battled it for just 5 days before he succumbed on the afternoon of Thursday.
Tulianza kuona tuko WhatsApp, Facebook, ndio tukaanza kuulizana kama familia nini mbaya, ndio tukaambiwa ni mgonjwa.
Lakini Jumamosi usiku akasitiwa na ugonjwa. Ndio akapelekwa Aga Hospital, akapimwa, akaraswa huko. Tangu Jumamosi hiyo tulisikia alikuwa tu kwa oxygen.
Barasa's family in Buruburu, Nairobi, now forced to quarantine themselves before taking tests to check their status. And while his brothers in Bungoma last interacted with him early February, the neighbors have kept off, fearing exposure to the virus, while also cautious of the government's ban on social gatherings. A family left to mourn their dead alone.
Familia yenyewe walisema iko quarantine. Sasa sisi tumekaa tu hapa, hata mimi ndio nimetoka kwa mimi mwenyewe nimejiweka quarantine, hata ingawaje tulikutana na yeye kitambo tu. Ndio maana hata sisi tuko tu kwa boma, kwa sababu hata saa hii ukianza kutoka nje mtu anaweza sema ndugu yake amekufa hiyo ugonjwa.
The coronavirus disruption affecting society from what it knew. A prominent chief who served President Jomo Kenyatta's neighborhood of Gatundu while he was in power, buried by just a handful of mourners, mainly family. The government ordered that funerals be attended by immediate family that must not be more than 15 people. A send-off that would have otherwise attracted hundreds of mourners, conducted in relative privacy, lasting just over 45 minutes. Sam Kituku, Citizen TV, Nairobi.